Dear friends, if this video helpful for you, please subscribe, like and comment and support me. In this video, I am going to explain how to use if-else statement inside JSX for React and React Native. I am working with the React Native project, so I am doing this example in React Native project. As per the documentation, it is clear that if-else statement do not work inside JSX. This is because JSX is just syntactic sugar for function calls and object construction. So how we can implement the same functionality of if-else statement inside React Native or React JSX syntax? For that we have to use ternary operator. I think you are aware about the ternary operator in general. So I will explain the same thing with an example inside React Native project for alternative to if-else statement. For example, inside this view component, I have a condition is active. If the user is active, we will show a test user online. If is active is false, we will show user offline. So this syntax will work same as if statement. If is active is true, then user online, else user offline. So by using ternary operator in JSX syntax for React and React Native, we can easily replace if-else statement with the ternary operator. So you just go through this syntax and understand it and use in your project. This is the condition is active. This is the replacement for if is active. So this will be the first option. If it is else, if it is fail, if is active is fail, then for the else we have user offline. So by using this ternary operator, we replaced if-else statement in React and React Native. I think this is helpful for you. Once again, if this video is helpful for you, please subscribe, like and comment and support me. Thank you.